Okay, hello everyone. So this is our lecture number 3, and as we know, we are continuing this Matlab series. So in this lecture, we are going to learn how we can plot figures by using simple command in Matlab, and how we can modify to look better this our plotted figure in Matlab by just putting different Matlab commands. So let's start the video. And if you have any query, any doubt, just comment below down. I will try to answer all of those. So let's start the video. So like in this video, we are going to learn how we can plot figure in Matlab. So this is our x. X is a variable that varying from 0 to 10. Okay. And this point one is the delta increment. So if I will just take this one and show in command window. So it will show x equal to 0 to 10. So like x equal to 0, then we are having delta x 0.1. So that x to 0.21, then 0.2, 0.3 up to, it will go up to 10. Okay. So this is our variable that varying. So from 0 to 10, and I want to plot this function of x. So like in MATLAB, we can write, like if I want to write sine function, then you can write sine. For example, if I want to plot like cos, so you can write simply cos, like simple function as we write in our MATLAB mathematical equation. So like this is our x, and I want to plot this x, and like I want to plot sine x. Okay, so this is our x, and this is our by the function of x, and x when the x is varying from 0 to 10, and then y. Okay, so let's see how the y is varying. So if I will see this in command window, so it will come like when x equal to 0, y equal to also 0, because sine 0 is 0. And simply when x equal to 10, then what will be sine? So if simply I will put sine 10, okay. So this will be minus 0.54. Right now I'm putting sine in radian. So if you convert, like if you want to put sine in like degree, so what you have to do, like you need to write like new x equal to like 0 to I'm giving 30-degree increment, and then till 360. Okay, so 360. So this is our x in degrees. Then what will be our y? Y will be by equal to sine d and new x. Okay, so what I change here, simply you need to put that d here. You have to put d if you want to calculate, if you are putting x in degrees. Right now simply I'm taking radian, so I will just remove this one, and we will keep simple. So this is our x, this is our y, and this plot is a function, like plot is a command that we are given in MATLAB to plot the figures. So simply if I will run this one, so I'm running section by, so this is my first section. So if I will run this one, it will come sine versus like x versus y. So it is not coming. Yeah. So this is our this is our x on x-axis, and y on, so this is our sine x. This is our sine x function. Okay. So for example, I want to plot cos. So simply what I will do, plot. Let's first we have to create variable. So I will say like k equal to cos x. Okay. Sorry. So this k equal to cos x, and I want to plot cos. Sorry, I want to plot x versus k. So our plot will be okay. So this is our cos x. Okay, right now we don't have anything in like legend or axis title. So let's move forward and we will put our title on the axis. So now we are going to add title. So how to write how to add title? So just I will delete this. I will just okay. I just adjust. Okay. So now we are going to add title. So right now we are having simply this x versus y. We don't know what is on the x and what is on the y. But now we are going to add title and x level and y level. Okay. So just now we are going to run this. So how to add title? Simply you need to write title and under bracket you have to write sine wave because we are uploading sine. You can write any uh, you can write like this variation variation of x variation of y with x. So you can change any name of this title. And this is our x level. X level means like what is going to show now your x level. So this is like I'm putting right now x axis in radian, and on y level we are putting simple y axis. Okay. So let's now this run what it will come. So okay, now see this is our title. This is our title, and this is our y axis, and this is our x axis. So as we know, we kept x axis in radian. So right now it is showing x axis in radian, and y axis it is showing y. And this is our title, variation of y with x. Or simply you can put sine wave, sine wave. Okay, then it will and then again run. So this will be our sine wave. Okay. Now we are going to add grid. Like we want to show a vertical and horizontal line. So now simply we will go to step 3, how to add grid. So this is our plot command, and this is our title. This is our x level, y level, and when you put grid on, so it will come vertical and horizontal lines. So let's run this one. So what it will come. So okay, initially we were not having these grid lines. Now when you put grid on, grid lines will come. Okay, this one more this title. This is our legend. So right now I'm keeping. We are having only one figure, so it is showing only one. If we are having multiple figure, then by putting legend we can differentiate like which color belong to which color, which figures, which function. Okay, so this is right now legend. So by using simply putting legend, you can show legend also. Then this grid on, it will show the horizontal and vertical lines.